So we're going to be placing both hands in C position, which means that C, D, E, F, G in right hand will be played by first, second, third, fourth, and fifth finger. And the thumb of your right hand falls on C. And in left hand, you're going to also locate C, but with your pinky. C, D, E, F, G will be played with pinky, fourth, third, second, and thumb. So now I'm kind of like pressing exact same keys, but in two different octaves. In first octave for right hand, starting with middle C, and in small octave for left hand, starting also with C. So what I'm gonna do first, because we're gonna work on coordinating hands, I'm gonna press one after another. At first, I'll go from thumb to pinky and I'll walk back down. So first get used to it. Make sure that you use tip of your finger as discussed earlier, right? And make sure that you keep this curved position. Shake your hands to make sure that they're relaxed and kind of drop the tip of your finger. Sink into the key. Now let's find 5 keys with left hand. We're going to start with pinky. Make sure that pinky stays on the tip because it's a tendency for a lot of my students to kind of fall onto it. So make sure that your palm is turned towards thumb. Start with pinky. And same thing. We're going to go up to G and back down to C. Once you play each hand uncoordinated, I would say 4, 6, 8, or 10 times, depends on how it feels. Then place both hands in C position. Now we know what C position is, and start pressing keys together. Try and play this exercise 4, 6 times.